asking the local people for the way, and my friend is very well versed with the local language, so he can really communicate with them. And they told us to go that side. Where we are going, we are lost, seems like. Luckily, Google is working here. It's giving us the direction to go, and we are walking on this.
No.
We saved time, man. We saved, I think, 5 minutes at least.
Sure.
Let's go up. Whew. Now we are walking up. We crossed the river, and the field, and the school. We have parked our bike behind that white small house. You see the gap between the big house, two big house? There. Run, run, run! Look for this tower, because you have to do a lot of trekking. Yeah, got it, bro. This is the viewpoint. I think we nearly trekked for 20 minutes. That's because the way was completely steep up, and we had to cross a river, also a small river, not river, it's like a stream. It seems we have reached the place. This is as far the cars can come, but the road is very bad. You cannot go right now. You have to do trek. It's amazing, man! In the picture it was looking so faltu, now it looks so nice here. Wow! Hey bro! It's super cool, man! It does look like Sweet Falls, right?